Hey guys, so what's a file system? Computers organize their files using a tree-like structure. Linux has a single file tree system which starts at the root directory. On a Windows, the root would be something like the first folder within the C drive. This is what a file system would look like. So we have our root directory here, and then we have 4 folders within it, and then within home we have 3 more folders, and within the Dropbox folder we have schoolwork and fun stuff. And finally, within fun stuff, we have a text document called command line snippets. Now, whenever you're using the command line, you're somewhere along this file system. And to check the path name of your current working directory, we use pwd, which stands for print working directory. So let's try that. Just type pwd. And we can see here that I'm right now in my home directory in the users folder and within my username. To check the contents of your current folder, type ls, which stands for list. So ls. And now we can see all our files within our current working directory. Now we can see the directories we can navigate to. To move into a directory, type cd and then the directory name. So let's try navigating into our desktop. So cd and then desktop. Cool, so now we're in our desktop. So there are 2 types of path names you can use as an argument here. Firstly, you can use the relative path name, which is relative to the current working directory. The example above, which we use with desktop, is an example of this. An absolute path name would start at the root of the file system. So anything that begins with a / would be an absolute path name. Some of the most commonly used directories have shortcuts. So root directory is just a /. The current working directory is a period. The parent directory are 2 periods. And the home directory is a tilde symbol. And the previous directory, which is the directory we were previously in, is the hyphen. Now let's try the cd command with some of these shortcuts. And note that anything that follows a pound symbol is a comment and is not read by the shell. So let's try cd and then /. So that'll take us to our root directory. And then we can try cd hyphen to go back to the desktop, which is our previous directory. And then lastly, we can go up a level or up to our parent directory using cd ..